Hey there friends, welcome to what we're talking about here with Hlbz. What a week we have had with this stock. And yes, we have ended low, but hey, there still might be something going on here. And let's talk about that with what we're seeing right now with this stock. So obviously, you know, you don't know, just to get everyone up to date here. This stock is obviously in the eyes and the beholders right now of short sellers, trying to push this and get volume big going and get this thing up to $1. That's the push right now for $1. Now, will that happen? We're trying, but there's no guarantees right now with these penny stocks, especially this one. Now, this has been the biggest push for this stock since October of last year when it went to 42 cents. But still, we've seen a bigger push here with it as of late. So the question is, can we actually see this move to $1? Let's look at the volume here the past few days that we've had with this stock, pretty much this whole week. So when we really started to see something happen here, you know, it was on the 20th here, and we had volume almost at 700 million. Next day, even more, almost right at 700 million. The 24th following with 500 million, and then, you know, the 25th and the 26th we're just ending out here, and today even less. So losing more steam, still a lot of volume, still a lot of trading going on with this stock, but obviously not enough to push it to anything close to even a 50-cent range to help it get there. So the question is, you know, should we pull the trigger, walk away from this right now? You know, obviously you need to do what you want to do and what you feel comfortable with. With these short pushes like this, they're a situation where they go up and down and they can last for a while to really get somewhere. Now, the market has been doing pretty good here in January. I gotta admit, I think a lot of us gotta admit, it's been better than we thought it was going to be. Now, that doesn't mean the rest of the year is going to be fantastic and we're going to see changes here. I'm waiting for the whole thing to fall apart. Let's just be honest. I'm expecting things to get bad here. But Monday is going to be the real big telltale of what's going on here. Are we going to have a good day in the overall market? And if we can get this stock back to even the 30s, that's going to be a really good sign that we can see this push to a 40 to a 50 to a 60 cent price cent on this. Now, will that happen? I just, you know, it's hard to say right now. We've had mass growth this week and we've had mass sell-off. We're still right at a 30. I mean, we'll round it off into a 30-cent zone here. So we're not in a terrible position at all. And one of the big reasons that really got the stock moving was that they had this pre-order come in that's going to generate what they say $2.2 million in future sales here for the company. I'll put it up here so you can see it. But, I mean, this is good news if you're a long-term investor. But talking on a long-term investor scale here with this stock, you know, a lot of people have been saying, well, should I start loading up on this right now? Should I buy like $500, like $3,000 worth of this stock? Here's what I'm going to say with that. Personally, why I have been talking about this stock is because I, like many other people, were looking to make a fast buck, and I think that could still possibly be there. Now, the dangerous part with this stock right now is that this stock has not seen $1 since last year. August of last year. So it's still got time to hit $1, and as you know, every stock needs to be $1 for at least 10 consecutive days in a year's time on the NASDAQ. If not, they have to have a reverse split, or they have to say bye-bye and leave the NASDAQ. Now, of course, there's extensions that go into all that, or sometimes a company just says, you know what, we're just going to do a reverse split and start over. Obviously, there's no word right now with this company doing that. They're still a little bit in a safe ground, but teetering into this 10-cent zone like they were, that is not good, and that's one thing that really, you know, helped spark this big push up. So it's a double-edged sword right now, friends. It's a situation where if the stock were to take more damage and fall back down to a 10-cent range, I'm going to be honest, we probably could see another spike up. We could see even bigger spike up or just about the same spike up. We definitely probably will see more news about what's going on with this deal that they're talking about, which will spike news once again. This is not a company that is going out of business. They're just a new company that, you know, they're building and they're pushing. You know, should you buy this in the future? That's a hard situation to look at right now because the company doesn't have a lot to prove right now financially, but they are making gains and pushes to stay alive in as a company right now. So I'm digging more into the company of what they are, putting numbers together. You know, they've been around since 2015, so this is a really, really new company. And obviously, you know, there's people that have bought penny stocks in the past and have become millionaires off that. And, you know, that's what is so fun about the stock market, that any Joe Smo like me can put up, you know, 20 bucks, 500 bucks, you know, 100 bucks in a stock like this, and, you know, years time it could really change. So that's what's fun about the stock market. You can try to make your own future, and, you know, anything can happen here. So friends, let me know what you think here, what's going on. We will talk again Monday. I'm gonna put more videos out over the weekend here with some other stocks that I talk about normally. And friends, I really do wish everyone a great weekend. Can't wait for this next week in the market. Really excited, friends. I will talk to you very soon. Bye everyone.